Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz and today we are back with another interesting recipe. It is a pure desi style rice preparation. It is a very comfort food in North India. It is a North Indian homely delicacy which I'll be teaching you in just few steps how to go about and produce this amazing, easy to make Tehri at home. Let's go and let's learn.
Gas on, pan nice and hot. 4 tablespoon cooking oil goes in. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of fresh cumin. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon heap of ginger garlic paste and we'll saute it to kill all the hard flavors. Then I'm adding 1 onion slice, then saute 1 heap tablespoon red chilli, half teaspoon haldi powder, saute nicely together. We are adding a little more haldi powder because we want natural yellow color for our rice. Adding 2 diced potato which is nicely clean and peel. Now adding water to the rice ratio 3:1, allowing potato to cook halfly before, then half potato will cook along with the rice. You can put your choice of any vegetable you like, cauliflower, broccoli, even you can put prawns as well. Now adding 200 grams of soaked rice. You can use small rice, you can use basmati rice, you can use kollam, any sort of rice that favors you. Now cooking them on dum, then after about 20 minutes it is done. Amazing. You can see how fresh the rice looks and how incredible dish is looking. Now time for plating. And this is my dinner. I'm taking it out on a beautiful dinner plate. Then we have to add desi ghee from the top. Then I'll be adding yogurt plus salt plus cumin powder mixture. This tastes incredible. Then any vegetable on prawn pickle, little salads on the side, fresh tomato or cucumber, little fries and papadums. It is served along with. Now it is ready to go.
Heaven is here. This is a homely delight of every North Indian household. You know the word if you watch my video. Incredible. For more such unique, interesting recipes and homely, easy to make recipes, follow my page, subscribe my page. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh!